Hello friends, this is Kumar and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to discuss a poem which is known as My Lament and it has been written by Rashmi Bajaj. This poem is a bitter satire on the evil of female feticide in Indian society. The speaker in the poem is an unborn female child that has been destroyed in the mother's womb. Though the female child has been killed even before she can see the light of day, she thanks her mother for killing her. She says that her death in the bomb has saved her from a life of endless suffering in case she had been born. How tragic and ironical it is that one should thank one's mother for being killed in the bomb itself. The irony becomes sharper when we learn that it was not the mother's decision to kill the fetus in the bomb. Both the mother and the unborn girl child are just insignificant tools in the hands of a heartless man dominated society. Now let us discuss the poem line by line. It is a very short poem, so let us discuss it. Thank you so much, Mom, for saving me from a life full of all woes by killing me in your bomb. In these lines, the speaker is the unborn girl child killed in the mother's womb. The unborn child or the fetus thanks her mother for killing her in the bomb itself. The female fetus has been killed in the bomb and she thanks the mother for it. If the female fetus had been allowed to be born, she would have to suffer insults and humiliations all her life at the hands of men. Therefore, the unborn child thanks her mother for saving her from those cruel wounds that would have been inflicted on her if she had been allowed to be born. Therefore, the unborn girl child thanks her mother for saving her from those cruel wounds that would have been inflicted on her if she had been allowed to be born. How ironical that one should thank one's own mother for being killed in the bomb itself. My lament is just one, even this decision was not your own. Lament is the expression of sadness for somebody who has died. Here it means painful complaint. This decision means the decision of killing the child. So in these lines, the female fetus has nothing to complain that she has been killed even before she was born. She is rather thankful to her mother for this. By killing her in the bomb itself, the mother has saved the girl child from lifelong insults and humiliations she would have been subjected to if she had been born. But the unborn child has one complaint about it. She says that it was not her mother's decision to kill her before she was born. It was the decision of someone else, and the mother had to bow to it. Mother had to agree to it. It is a very sad and unfortunate comment on the psyche of male-dominated Indian society. So here, our present poem finally ends. The theme of this poem is female feticide. It is a bitter satire on this evil in the Indian society. Okay, so I hope you understand the poem very well. And if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section and I will try to answer your question. This much all in this lecture. If you like the way I teach, if you like the way I explain poems, then please share the videos, please comment on the videos, please like the video, okay, and please subscribe the channel to motivate us. This much all we ask from you. Thank you very much for joining us. Stay tuned for further such lectures.